All right, here it is, the Alta 2600. Hey, this is John here at Adventure RV. Let's go over some of the stuff they give you here. I mean, yeah, I can show you the floor plan and all that, but I kind of want to show you the stuff that makes them a little bit different here. So you got metal slam latches, not plastic. You know, inside here you got this huge, this is tall, right? This is a tall door, so you can fit lots of stuff in there. You got power inside here. Motion sensor lights, right? You can run your awning from inside here. You can't get that on most brands. Look how nicely finished it is with the aluminum. It's even finished up in here. I mean, just sweet. And then they give you 2 batteries. We're gonna fill some propane tanks there for you when you buy this. You got electric stabilizer hitch, 2 big LED strips right up on the front. Coming around to this side, just like a 5th wheel, it's got all this inside here instead of plastered all over the side, making your camper look ugly. So they even do this different. You can, anything you could run on here, you could run on your phone, and that's your solar charge controller. Really, there's nothing you have to do. You could see right here, it shows that it's charging. And then you have a hot and cold outdoor sprayer, battery shut-off switch, all that kind of stuff in there, extra power, satellite, all that good stuff. Amplifier. They have your what are those called? You're basically your cranks for like backup if you ever needed, like if you run out of battery power and you needed to either crank that by hand, or your electric stabilizer jacks if you had to do it by hand, like you're out in the middle of nowhere and nobody can come help you, but that's pretty rare. But either way, they're hanging right there for you. Electric stabilizer jacks front and back. Beautiful tinted windows, and again, prepped for right there, one on each side if you wanted to put a slide topper. Look right here. These are really close together. I could almost reach with 2 fingers. They're about 4 inches apart. Yeah, about 4.5. Instead of being like 10 inches apart like other brands, makes it really strong. You got a light back here near your dump station. The other 2 electric jacks back here. And then it's got a ladder up to the roof. Spare tire. Griddle that this swings around over here so you can hang your griddle on it or your grill, whatever. You got a spray port here. Tankless water heater, so it's on-demand hot water. Black tank flush right there. Not all brands come with that. Little spot to hook up Fido right there. Let's see if this is unlocked. Yep. So flip that up. Again, metal slam latch. You got a little fridge inside here. It hangs up by a magnet. You got some outdoor speakers that are marine grade speakers, not little cheapos. You could even hang a TV out here if you wanted to. Let's go inside and check this puppy out. So right here it tells you 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors, not particle board. You got a tub surround, shower surround I should say. So you don't have to sit there. I mean, some brands just use their paneling and then you got to wipe it all off every shower. Don't do that. Skylight, fan, porcelain toilet. Not every brand does that. Lots of counter space in the bathroom. I mean, this is a big bathroom. Double big medicine cabinet, not just one. There's the controller for the shower, the hot water, I should say. And when you come in, look at this huge storage area. I mean, just hanging storage, and it's all huge. Fireplace down here, sound bar, smart TV. Your control center even looks nice. Look at that. It's kind of like a carbon fiber look. Pretty sweet. Recliners right across from the TV. 48-inch dinette set, not 40, so you can fit 4 adults comfortably there. You got drawers instead of doors. 2-inch taller ceiling. Upgraded 15K air standard. It's prepped for a second air conditioner in the bedroom if you wanted to add it. So we're 50 amp prep. King size bed, not a queen. Still plenty of room to walk around. Look at those nightstands. I mean, it's not just an afterthought. They're done right. That's awesome. And then under the bed, I'm going to lift this up. Gas struts to make it easier to lift. It's really deep. You can't really tell, but it's about 4 feet. There's the grill that comes with it. Your sprayer, your 50 amp cord, And there's even drawers that pull out, so usable space, not just a big hole. Back out into here, you got this guy that flips up, so you got some extra counter space. Pull-out sprayer, glass washer. Just looks so nice. And the fridge is cool too. Look, you can open it if you're left-handed. You can open it this way if you're right-handed. Bottom freezer like at home. Yeah, I'm slamming this stuff around, but it can take it. Little night light you push right here, and these glow. And then, I was mentioning Fido earlier. You can hook them up, and then look, doggy tray. Feed the puppy, put it back in there. And he can't get to his treats, but I bet he'll sit all day there and try to get in it. So look at that. What a great layout too. You walk in, huge bathroom to your left. Giant living room sitting across from the TV, tons of storage, and then you're at the lake or wherever, right? Look at those huge windows. They all work too. You can open every one of them. Just get some nice cross breeze. So look at all those Altas ready to go. Everyone's a different model. If you don't care for this one, check out another one. Thanks for watching my video.